Larry ji.
Good evening, sir. Welcome. Thank you for taking some time out for this launch. And I'm so happy that you are here. A wonderful person, a lawyer, an author, a photographer, a painter, a cook. Sir, और क्या क्या करेंगे सर? हमारे लिए भी तो कुछ छोड़िए.
सर आपके भी फैन भी हैं हम लोग. I'm also a fan of you, sir.
और मैं तो खेतान फैन हूँ सर. मैं तो खेतान फैन हूँ. Welcome Deepak Devraj. Am I audible to you? Welcome Nilima Gore madam. After a long time.
Hello sir. Good evening sir.
Welcome madam. After a long time, you have been very busy, I know. So thank you for taking out some time. And she was
my pleasure, sir.
One of the first people in AFH to come out with a book. She is one of the first people. Welcome Priyadarshini Lopamudra. And I saw
Pritish,
Pritish Sangvi. Welcome,
yes,
and good evening.
Good evening, Saddalji. How are you?
Fine, sir. After a long time.
Yes,
Pritish Sangvi is a great, painter, and he is a great graphic designer.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
He has done so many great things, so many great book covers. Great imaginative person, and great to know him. And we have been personally linked. We have been talking personally, and I feel blessed to know him. Thank you for coming, sir.
Thank you. It's the same. Likewise, Saddalji.
Okay, I am so happy.
Congratulations.
Saddalji, can I speak for half a minute? Because I'm sorry I'm interrupting you, but I would like to say a few words.
Of course.
Few words.
Of course.
Dear friends, it is first of all an honor to be here. But more importantly, I would like to share a few things about Larry ji. I've been interacting with him for the last couple of weeks, and it's very, very rare to come across such an honest, such a wonderful person. I mean, right from the way he talks, the way he interacts with people, and the way he helps, he's a rare gem, absolutely a rare gem. And it is my honor, it is my privilege that the fate has made me meet a person like him. I have just purchased his book, the Ravi Shastri ka jo book liya hai maine, where you've sir, aapne bataya ki nahi, I don't know whether the other people know.
Some of the people know, not many people know.
So you must share this, and I must tell you the kind of pleasure I'm getting just reading the way he edits, the way he writes. So I'm sorry I'm interrupting you, but
No, sir, please.
It was an urge to say this, and as a lawyer I can't help my urge to talk. So I apologize for that, but I must tell you, this man is a great man. Okay, and ये वध आपका जो है वो सुपर डुपर हिट होने वाला है. मुझे तो कई बार लगता है कि द फर्स्ट बिलियन कॉपी जो बिक रही है इंडियन ऑथर की, मतलब हमारे AFH ग्रुप में, वो आपकी रहने वाली है, फर्स्ट बिलियन कॉपी. सो प्लीज आप हमको जो आपका ऑटोग्राफ तैयार रखना सर. And all the best to you, sir.
सर आप कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल गए. यहाँ पे तो विक्रम जी भी बैठे हैं, तो उनके सामने मैं बिलियन कॉपी कैसे भेज दूं?
billion from Vikram sir, basically.
Vikram ji is for 5 billion.
Welcome Anuradha madam, and I think and welcome my cousin Sanjay Lahiri, and a special welcome to my cheta Thomas T. Thomas. Thank you for coming, sir. And Thomas T. Thomas is a wonderful author. We all take inspiration from him. And then there is a child prodigy called Dhrubavani, 14 years old. He has written a book on mental strength and thinking processes. Welcome, Dhruv. I think, sir, we can start. People will be joining in slowly.
Welcome, Renu madam.
Welcome, Renu madam. Of course, the Kabir Khan in our group.
Dinesh Nagpal sir is there. Dinesh Nagpal sir.
I have already.
Namaskar.
Dinesh Nagpal sir, good evening.
Good evening everyone. Good evening.
And Mr. Sanjay Kapoor from Nagpur. Good evening, sir.
Good evening everybody.
And Mr. Ashok Grover, I hope you can hear us, sir. Usko leke aana chahiye tha.
Okay, shall we make the beginning?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Please, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening and welcome everybody. I request all of you to please open up your cameras and mute your mics. I'm your host and host for this evening. I'm Vikram Khetan. I have with me Satadal Lahiri, the hero of this evening. So welcome everyone once again. Let me see who all are present in the room. Let me call out your names. Mr. Santosh Kumar, welcome. Anuradha Goel, welcome. Mr. Ashok Grover, welcome. JD Singh, welcome. Mrs. Neerja Bandi, welcome. Mr. Sanjay, welcome. Mr. Saurabh Chattopadhyay, welcome. Swapnil Modi, welcome. Valentina Lim, welcome. Amritanshu, welcome. Ms. Asha Girdhar, welcome. Kedar Panda, welcome. Chintan Oza, welcome. Grace, welcome. Deepak Devraj, welcome everybody. It is so nice that all of you are here. Even if I could not call out all your names, you are most welcome and most dear to our heart. And with this, I'll just give a brief introduction about Mr. Satadal Lahiri. He is an engineer by qualification, a consultant by profession, and an author by passion. His strong forte of genre is biographical fiction. Why I say fiction is because he adds spice to the biographical stories as well. And he has a liking for creative writing since his school days and has written a lot of articles for newspapers and magazines while he was in school. He has also written promotional campaigns for corporate houses and educational institutions. He has written several books of his own and also ghostwritten for some people and personalities. He dedicates a lot of time in reading and research work before he starts actually writing the book, and that's what delivers a high quality of writing at his level. And he has also completed the A level of Theory of Constraints by Eliyahu Goldratt Foundation of Israel. He presently stays in Kolkata with his mother, wife, and son. Over to you, Mr. Lahiri.
Thank you, Vikramji. Like, as always, you are very clear and crypt with descriptions of people. Sometimes you take me to a high. चने के झाड़ पे मैं चढ़ जाता हूँ, फिर उतरना मुश्किल होता है. Anyway, thank you very much, sir, for your kind support. You have been a support for me right from the beginning, and I think that I hope that will remain like this forever. You know, all of us, not only you but all of us.
Always.
And good evening, everybody. From my side, good evening to this launch of this special book called Vadh, The Death of a Character. I am honored to announce that the host, of course, is the ever graceful, gracious, gregarious, generous, gentle, and supremely gifted individual called Vikram Khetan. He is a MBA Finance, a black belt holder in Six Sigma, a CFO of a renowned organization there in South India, and a prolific author. He has authored 4 Amazon amazing bestsellers, the latest being The Seeds of Advice, which has won glorious critical attributes. He also has a wonderful YouTube channel. He runs this channel twice a week, which has It is called Sip and Talk with Vikram, where he interviews authors and achievers and does crypt and precise book reviews, and also runs a wonderful series called Lateral Learning, where he provides precious information about management through the art of inimitable storytelling. And he is a person who is ever ready to help people with his profuse knowledge and profound experience. He is a well-read, widely traveled, and an exponent of good and happy living. Before we see some snippets of Sip and Talk with Vikram, I know you will all like it. There are people out of AFH also who will like this snippets.
Thank you and welcome back again. And I'm seeing some lack of energy in the chat box right now. So those who are warmed up, please write warmed up. Please type in warmed up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Swapnil, Priyadarshini, Anuradha, Nilima, Spandan, Geeta Ramachandran. Thank you, everybody. So now taking forward from here, I would like to also introduce the various books Satadal has written, and some of them we are aware of, but he has actually written a lot of books, and he has been writing since a while. Thank you and welcome back. With this, I hand it over to Satadal and he will brief us about the book that he has launched recently and which is the subject of our meeting today. So over to you, Satadal.
So before welcome again, and before I start, I'd like to ask in the group, I cannot say, can you see somebody called Tamiz? Because my wife kept on telling me that Tamiz se baat karna. Ab Tamiz kahan milenge? Anyway, so moving on. I have not, me and Vikram sir, we had decided that we'll not call any celebrities here, because everybody sitting here is a celebrity. If you believe in what I say, what I'm saying just now, type yes in the chat box. Everybody of you is a celebrity. So koi bada celebrity, film actor, politician, koi nahi chahiye. Everybody is a celebrity out here. So with that belief, thank you, and everybody will shine, everybody will rise, and we together will make a new world. So I'll just take a 1 minute time to introduce my co-author. I'd already introduced Sonam Malik. He is Mr. Sonam Malik. So he is an IT professional, extremely gifted author, much better than I am, very soft-spoken person. And his way of writing fiction, short stories especially, is something to learn, which I'm slowly learning. And we started our journey way back in 2014 when we wrote Kirdars, our first, fiction novel. Then, of course, this book, Vad. And the third book that we are writing together is called Shaurya, the Act of Valor. That is going to come by maybe 2-3 months' time. So, before telling about the book, Vad, I'd like Sonam Malik to say hi to everybody. Sonam Malik, please.
Thank you for introducing me here. I never imagined that I'll be part of this wonderful group and I'll be getting a place in this group of accomplished authors. I don't consider myself, I didn't consider myself as an author. It is all your generosity to pull the element of an author from within myself. So I have never thought of that I will be writing any book, or rather I will contribute in writing any book. Okay, so it is, and now it is a reality. Like I am part of this group and is a part of this event of launching this book here. So really, this is a pleasure, and this is really pleasure for me. And it was never possible without the encouragement from Mr. Satadal Nairi. It is basically how it came. Let me put it in this way: it was a push-pull approach. Like he was pushing me a lot to write something. I never thought of that I will be writing any book, or for that matter, of any element which can be published or which can be read by the people around us. But there is a continuous push. I need to avoid. I used to put excuses of personal reason and professional reason. But it was a continuous push from Satadal Nairi that helped me to write few pages over here. And there is a pull also, as I told you. He pulled out the element of an author from within myself. And if you want to know how I got to know, how we got to know each other, it is a decade now. We used to work from the same organizations, and both of us were nominated for a workshop on innovation. So there we came to know each other, and I still remember that day. So in that workshop, on a table, they used to keep some Mentos candy on a bowl. So we didn't understand why there is a Mentos candy. There are so many candies and chocolates available around us. Why Mentos candy? Then we understood it was basically, the tagline for Mentos is Dimag ki batti jala de. So I don't recall whether it really ignited any spark in our gray matter or not, but it definitely triggered an friendship. Okay, and that took us to write these books. So that's all from my side now. Let's see how the event proceeds. Anyway, thanks once again to all of you.
Thank you, Sonamji. Of course, a small anecdote from my side as well. You know, as he rightly said, we were with the Tata Group. You know, we were working together. So there was something called Innovista. Somebody I think is not in me. Anyway, there was something called Innovista where innovation used to happen. Tata Nano came that way through Innovista. So Ratan Tata used to come and ask everybody, what is your nano? What is your innovation? So during that Innovista, we used to have some quizzes called Tata Crucible quizzes. So Sonam Malik was always my partner, as now he's always my partner in crime. So as now with books also is partnering me. So whenever we used to put our name, the announcer used to say, announcer like Mr. Vikram Khaitan used to say that, welcome Mr. Satadal Lahiri and Mrs. Sonam Malik. So, मेरे को भी अच्छा लगता था, you know, I am with a lady. Anyway, so thank you Sonam Malik for being there, and of course push-pull effect, as you rightly said, you have also been very categorical and very, you know, helpful to me for improving my work and also contributing in a wonderful way. You are one of the greatest fiction writers I've come across, fiction thinking writers. So let us do better works and keep on doing better works for people, and hope people will like us. Thank you very much. Over to you, Vikram sir.
Thank you, Sonam Malik. Thank you. Satadal, before you actually begin with briefing us about the book, Vad, I have a question, if you allow me, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what made you think of this title, Vad? How did it come across? I mean, and now you are bringing like Shaurya. So why, you know, are you focused into valor all the time? Just can you bring out those thoughts on this?
This is a very, you know, and a person of intellect like Vikram Khaitan, you know, I know that this question will come up in his head. Vad, see, there are two terms in Hindi which people almost misconstrue. One is Vad, one is Qatal. So both means killing. But Vad jo hai, the Vad thing that, you know, it happens with your thoughts, with your aspirations, with your dreams, with your belief, with your faith. But Qatal nahi hota hai. Vad hota hai. So here we are trying to project the Vad of a character. That does not necessarily mean that we kill the character. We might kill his or her dreams and aspirations. So this is not that we kill somebody and it ends. Gandhi was killed, Subhash Chandra Bose were killed, but their messages remain for ages, and it will remain for ages. But there are some Vad that happens to common man, where probably due to uncontrolled circumstances, the person had to go in that path. Might be some peer pressure, it might be some economic pressure, social pressure. So that is how a Vad happens. And coming to Shaurya, you know, when you connect this word Shaurya to somebody, it means that you are fighting in the border, you've got a gun in your hand, and you're killing the Dushman, the enemy. You're crossing the enemy line, you're saving the motherland. That is Shaurya. That is Shaurya, of course. But then there is another Shaurya that we face day in and day out. People like you and me fight frustration, fight negative energy, fight negative people, fight negative thoughts, fight a lot of apprehension, and live a life. We get up every morning, we go to sleep every night. But between that period, what we fight through, what we stay through is Shaurya. In fact, to combat the Vad of our dreams, aspirations, belief, we have to have Shaurya in ourselves. So our next book is Shaurya. So in that matter, I'll take just 1 minute's time. Mr. Partha Banerjee, are you ready with the video? Partha Banerjee will have a word from Mr. Som Batla.
Sure. Absolutely.
Yes, sir. Som sir, please continue, sir.
So to introduce Mr. Som Batla, he is the founder of the AFH community, or the Author Freedom Hub. So he is exponent of freedom. He gives freedom to the authors to, you know, come out openly into the world and bring their books on their own without anybody coming in their way. So he has a mission of bringing out 10,000 books in a short period, and he has already, I think, crossed the 1,000 number, if I'm right, Mr. So.
Yes. The mission is to have 10,000 people becoming authors.
Yeah, 10,000 authors. So,
Yes.
Mr. Som, please, we would like to hear from you.
Thank you so much, everybody, for this warm welcome, and thank you so much, Vikram, for the kind words. Satadal, how many books you have written so far?
Sir, this is the 16th book, sir.
16th book. So if one author is writing 16th book, it means we will be having 10,000 authors. If everybody writes 5 books, 50,000 books will be coming to the world with this community. So wonderful. Thank you so much. All I can see so many wonderful faces of AFH family here. Congratulations, Satadal, for writing this 16th book. But so awesome. And Satadal is really a very supportive member of this community. I've seen him always, like you have done so many launches for the community members, and this shows that we all are going on the right path in terms of collaborating with each other. So great to have you in this community, and great to see so many AFH family members helping each other in all the book launches. So I don't read much of fiction. So your topic, what is something which is, I'm curious to know what this is. So I'll be listening more from your side about this book. But I'm sure the kind of writing you do, the kind of style you have, this must be something which is masterpiece. I was looking at your author page, and customer also bought section short Simon Sinek's book. So I immediately got idea that what kind of readership you have. So great going, and so I'll not take much time. So thank you so much for inviting me here. So let's continue the show, and you please talk about your book, and I would love to listen more about your book. Awesome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It was all your support and help, and of course, hand-holding that got us to this stage. And every time we faced some difficulty, of course, we came across to you, and you very kindly supported and helped us. And of course, this idea of Publithon, it geared us up and got the adrenaline pumping. And these numbers we can achieve through this inimitable process of yours, where Publithon also is one of the main reasons. Thank you, yes, sir. Thank you for being there.
Pleasure. Yes.
And another thing, I'd like to say that one of the things that gives me a lot of challenges, I want to catch that 22. Catch 22.
Yes.
Mr. Som Batla, 22.
For everybody to know, before Mr. Som got into the mission of bringing out 10,000 authors to this world, he himself has penned down 22 books, and that too on Mindset. So imagine, he must have gone into every fold of the gray matter to take out a book from there. And that's a commendable job, and congratulations to you, Som, for doing that.
Thank you for that. And you caught the right word, catch 22. My friend, you won't be able to catch me, I'm telling you, because all the books you're writing about, this is extension of me. These all are my books. If you combine this together, the journey is very difficult for you.
Very well said.
Am I right? All these books are my books.
Very well said.
Because when I go to Publithon, my mission is to help people write the books, and the kind of challenge which you guys have taken, the kind of collaboration which you have shown to this entire world. Every launch I go, I see all the same faces coming here, and this shows that we really have created a new set of family, author family, which I believe there was none existing in India, where so many authors who are knowledge spreaders joining together and collaborating at such a level. So I'm grateful to God for giving me this, choosing me as instrument to connect so many people, and I can see the happy faces on this screen. So more power to all of you, and I'm always here to support you. Mission is 10,000, but 15% is already captured. So I'm thinking sometime like maybe 10,000 is smaller. Let's make it 100,000. What about that?
Yeah, of course.
And we wish you good luck for that.
Thank you so much. So carry on the show. Wish you all the best, Satadal, for the wonderful book. So I'm sure, Mr. Lahiri, you will be catching 22 soon. But yes, journey is very long. Yes. Thank you so much.
Everybody,
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Up. Everybody, please show thumbs up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swam sir. Thank you for your encouraging words.
Now we have Mr. Partha. Mr. Partha, are you ready with your?
Yes, I am ready. I'm absolutely ready for my friend, Mr. Lahiri.
Yeah, please play the video on Vad.
Yeah.
सिर्फ किसी के सीने में खंजर डाल देने से ही वध नहीं होता। किसी के शरीर को तीरों से या तलवारों से या गोली से छलनी कर देना ही वध नहीं होता। वध होता है अरमानों का, ख्वाहिशों का, एहसासों का, खुशियों का, चरित्र का, स्वाभिमान का, विश्वास का। जीते जी किसी को गुमराह करना भी वध होता है। कत्ल तो कत्ल होता है, लेकिन वध सिर्फ वध होता है। हमारे अंदर, हमारे बाहर, हमारे चारों तरफ इतनी सारी कहानियां हैं वध की। उसे देखिए, पहचानिए, वध को, कत्ल से उसको अलग कीजिए और वध को रोकिए। लेकिन हर वध के पीछे भी एक शौर्य छिपा होता है। हर वध के खिलाफ भी एक शौर्य छिपा होता है। ये शौर्य क्या है? ये शौर्य क्या है?
शौर्य क्या है? थरथराती इस धरती को रौंदती फौजियों की एक पलटन का शोर, या सहमे से आसमान को चीरता हुआ बंदूकों की सलामी का शोर। शौर्य क्या है? हरी वर्दी पर चमकते हुए चंद पीतल के सितारे, या सरहद का नाम देकर अनदेखी कुछ लकीरों की नुमाइश। शौर्य क्या है? दूर उड़ते खामोश परिंदे को गोलियों से भून देने का एहसास, या शोलों की बरसात से पल भर में एक शहर को शमशान बना देने का एहसास। शौर्य बहती प्यास में किसी के गर्म खून का हौले से सुर्ख हो जाना, या अनजानी किसी जन्नत की फिराक में पल पल का दोज़ख बनते जाना। बारूदों से धुंधला इस आसमान में शौर्य क्या है? वादियों में गूंजते किसी गांव के मातम में शौर्य क्या है? शौर्य शायद एक हौसला, शायद एक हिम्मत हमारे बहुत अंदर। मजहब के बनाए दायरे को तोड़कर किसी का हाथ थाम लेने की हिम्मत। गोलियों के बेतहाशा शोर को अपनी खामोशी से चुनौती दे पाने की हिम्मत। मरती मारती इस दुनिया में निहत्ते डटे रहने की हिम्मत। शौर्य आने वाले कल की खातिर अपने हिस्से की कायनात को आज बचा लेने की।
Thank you for playing this video. Over to you, Vikram sir.